Get to business news now. We're talking Tim Hortons and all-day breakfast, two things I like together. Good morning, Mike.
Good morning, Melanie. Yeah, indeed, Tim Hortons just announcing this morning officially that as of tomorrow, it will be offering all-day breakfast at participating locations across the country. So this is following Tim's test marketing of all-day breakfast in certain locations here in Ontario earlier this year. Follows the lead of McDonald's and others who have already been in this market. Breakfast offerings have been, over the past couple of years, consistently the fastest growing market segment in the restaurant industry. So Tim's jumping on this and saying that as of tomorrow, all-day breakfast available, and we'll track it from a stock price performance for the parent company, Restaurant Brands International, which also owns Burger King. Of course, Tim Hortons has been rolling out the brand globally over several years now with joint venture offerings in other countries. Google. The company just knows how to make money. Its search engine obviously generates all sorts of advertising dollars, but at the same time, Google makes a lot of money from its own investments in other tech names, so much so that they added $1 billion in profit added to the books and revenue in its latest quarter just from the investments that Google makes in other companies, so much so that Google's earnings, its parent company is Alphabet, north of $3 billion profit on revenue of $26 billion. The company's stock price at a record this morning, already up 4%, and the tech space this year has been the place to be for investors. Certainly on Wall Street, the big names have been hitting records, and we could in fact see another record today for the tech sector. Stateside, we'll have earnings later in the week from the likes of Facebook, Amazon, and Twitter. We also have on the markets this morning, good start globally after China announced some economic stimulus efforts for an economy that's already growing by north of 6%. Price for oil steady, Canadian dollar at 76 cents. And opening today, grand opening in on Overley Boulevard, Thorncliffe Park, a new Costco. This Costco location going where an old Coca-Cola bottling plant used to be. So Costco expanding its footprint in the GTA. Grocery and retail market space. Melanie, back to you.